ASUS router app constantly logging out. Clear cache and reinstall. Step 1. Clearing app cache. Start by clearing the cache of your ASUS router app. On Android, go to Settings, App, Storage, Clear Cache. On iOS, you might need to offload the app or reinstall it. Step 2. Clearing app data. If clearing the cache doesn't work, proceed to clear the app's data. Be aware this will essentially reset the app as if it were newly installed, requiring you to log in again. Step 3. Uninstalling the app. If clearing cache and data don't fix it, the next step is to uninstall the ASUS router app completely from your device. Step 4. Reinstalling from the App Store. Once uninstalled, head to your device's App Store, such as Google Play Store for Android and Apple App Store for iOS, and search for the ASUS router app. Download and reinstall it. Step 5. Logging in after reinstallation. After reinstalling, open the app and log in with your ASUS router credentials. This fresh installation should resolve any corrupted data or settings that were causing the constant logouts.